got wrapped around a rock. Oh, I think he come off. Lucky there. You can see what it is. It's a walleye, it's a monster. Oh, big snort pike. I'm going to try to get some pictures of him. This is a nice fish here. Fat as can be. See if he'll jump. Come on, jump, baby. And I got a real small line up there. There he is. Let him get him to jump. Oh! Didn't get him to jump. I was trying. You don't like the boat. Ooh. There he is. Look at this big baby. Where's my net? I'm going to try to grab this one. A little bit too fat to be grabbing. Hey, he's mine now. Doggies. That is a nice pike there. Hand it. Oh. Now, this one deserves lots of pictures. Couldn't be any fatter. He must be eating like a pig. So I'm going to weigh him. Look at the gut on this thing.